All right, so as you can see again, I have made some space in here. By the way, in this video, we are going to talk about the text card. So previously we have seen how we can create a card and how we can show the total revenue, quantity ordered, etc. in here. But in this one, we will see how we can actually see the text in here. So let's say I want to only show the top product that is getting sold. So what I will do, I will take from the products lookup table, I will take the product name in here and see what happens if I take the product name. So it is showing all purpose bike stand now. So what is happening is if I click on this little drop down here, it is showing the first one. Okay. And then if I click on this, it is showing the last one. It will be showing the last one. Now I want to keep it at the first. Here we can only count it or maybe count distinct it. Then you can take the first one. So I will take the first one, and let's say I want to show what is the top product that was sold. So what I will do, I have already shown you this. So I will click in here, and this one, okay, I have to put one filter in here actually. So I will take the product name filter, and here I will make it top n, and let's say I want to show only one product by the revenue. So let's say which product is generating most of the revenue. So here I will take the total revenue and I will drop it here, and I will apply the filter. You see, mountain 200 black 38 is actually something that is generating most of the revenue. And this is kind of obvious, because bikes are more priced, I think, than accessories and all. So this is kind of obvious, but we also want to show the bottom products as well. So I will just copy this one. I will just copy paste this one only. I will take it down, and also I want to show the bottom one product as well. I will click in here and I will select this. So you see, this is the racing socks, and this is also kind of obvious because socks are really lesser in price. So you can see the numbers are not visible properly. The values are not visible. So I will just make the size a little bit less because it is too much right now. So I will keep going, and I will keep it at 28. Another interesting option I want to show you. Let's say you want to make this two graphs small. So what you can do, one thing, you can make it small like this individually, or what you can do is I will just go back. I will click on undo, and what you can do is you can select this one, press Ctrl and select this one again, then right click. If you right click it, you see there is an option called group. So if I group it, it will become one element only. Okay, so now I will put it here. Now if I want to make them smaller, I will just keep it like this. And in here I don't really want this the first product name and this one, so I will change it. So let's say this is my bottom one, the bottom product I can write, and in this one I can write it the top product. Okay, the top product. So this is how you can actually create the text cards.